Living in cold climate, cold is a constant challenge in the garden. We share many methods about how we survive blizzards and protect plants from early frost. In this video, we want to especially address the cold spring challenge in the garden. We find if we get an early, healthy start to the growing season, we get a much better harvest. It is worth it to invest up front to get more at the end. Use microclimates in the garden. In our cold climate, we want microclimates that are warm, or we even create intentionally microclimates for our plants with, for example, windows or fans or a wall. A frost blanket is our constant companion in spring garden. We have several of them and use them all throughout the planting season. Some I have cut into smaller pieces so I can wrap an individual plant. The frost blanket is lightweight and provides shade as well as some frost protection. Most of our cold-sensitive plants are covered all the time, till the danger of frost is completely over. That's the beauty of a frost blanket, that it can be left on all day. Jars are the simplest and most amazing ways to start plants in spring. Simply plant a seed, water, and cover with a glass jar. I find glass jars work best. Plastic, of course, can be used too. Choose the size according to the plant that you start. For squash, for example, I like to use 2-quart jars. For most other plants, 1 is enough. The jar will create a microclimate, keep moisture in, and also protect the seedling from predators. There is no danger of overheating as long as the jar is tight and enough moisture can build up in the jar. A jar can also be placed over a seedling to protect that too. Just an amazing way to start seeds in cold climate. Row tunnels act like little greenhouses that protect a row or a raised garden bed. They can be easily built and covered with plastic or with frost blanket, or as you see here, with both, to protect especially sensitive plants. A greenhouse is almost a must-have in cold climate. However, when we talk about a greenhouse, we don't mean just one with shelves to start seeds in. We cover a portion of our garden with a greenhouse. A greenhouse alone will not help much if the temperature drops regularly to around freezing. We installed a heat exchange with a simple car radiator. It keeps the greenhouse significantly warmer at night and cooler during those bright and sunny spring days. Thank you so much for watching. We see you next time.